Hi guys, this is Sami Javeri. I'm the owner of Creo and you're watching Bollywood Buzz.
Hi, I'm Nisha Jamwal. I'm a columnist, curator, and designer, and you're watching Bollywood Buzz.
Yeah, welcome to Bollywood Buzz. First of all, we will talk about you, like how you're feeling like collaborating with Rebecca ma'am.
Well, I drove by Bandra and I always wanted to collaborate with Rebecca. I just saw her stuff from outside and got very intimidated thinking the price points would be really high. 2 months later, Nisha, it's just Providence, that Nisha just drops into my store and is like, we should collaborate with Rebecca. And I just couldn't hold my happiness back. And it just all came, it just fell through, it came on our lap.
So, ma'am, what do you want to say? Like, where the
Well,
idea came
I
from?
just saw two fabulous people. Ami's been a friend for years. Should I tell you to speak softly? Rebecca, just little soft. 2 minutes. Little soft. I just saw two very creative people. Ami, I've known for years, and I've always bought and loved Creo. I think it's one of the only stores in South Bombay, as far as I'm concerned. And then there's Rebecca, whose stuff I love wearing. So I decided that what better but to bring two very creative people together as a patron of her gowns and as somebody who's ambassadoring her presently. And Army store, of course, is, when I'm at work and rushing to dress up for a party, the one place I come to is here, pick up something and I'm dressed. So that's why I'm here, and that's why we've done this lovely Sangria evening called Close Friends, and friends like Sweetie Barman from Delhi, the scion of Dabur, has even joined us for this evening,
Welcome, ma'am.
all the way from Delhi.
Yeah. Oh, wow. So, ma'am, whom from the Bollywood actresses you want to style? Like, any in your mind, someone?
Well, very honestly, we cater to everyday people and we want them to look glamorous. We don't choose who we want to associate with.
But one of your favorite,
I would love to style Kangana.
Kangana. She's already like fashionista. Like her style statement is awesome, right?
Yeah, she's like Madonna. She keeps like reinventing herself and I just absolutely love her.
And ma'am, about you, like about whom actress you want to like to love about in your columns.
I love Sushmita. She's been a friend and a kind of, in my life, a rock star. She's always inspired me. Sushmita Sen for me is a forever Miss Universe. And in my personal life, she's been a great inspiration. And Deepika's been a friend since she was a model, Deepika Padukone, and I've stood up with her through the Padmavati episode.
Yeah.
I think she's also a rock star. I personally like strong women, which is why I've even done this evening for Ami and for Rebecca. I've got a personal weakness for women who are strong, women who go out and get their dreams, and yet retain femininity. Because I don't think to be strong and successful you have to become a man.
So what's your like about feminism? How you will describe feminism?
Feminism to me is something where you stand up for the rights of women. Women were not voting at one time. They didn't fly planes. My apologies. And today they're doing all that. But my point is, to be a feminist, you stand up for women's rights. You don't become a man. What's your opinion on feminism?
It's all about the independent woman. It's about believing in yourself and chasing your dreams no matter what.
Exactly.
What do you think about like nowadays social media is trending? Like some people are talking about if Deepika Padukone's Padmavati is released, they will burn Deepika Padukone alive. So what do you want to say like such an abusive language in social media and people are supporting for it?
I think it's abominable. It's very, very sad. And if India wants to move forward in the world arena, I think people who are doing this are taking India many notches back. They're humiliating India because women in India have been always worshipped as Devi, the feminine force. And what exactly has Deepika done wrong? She's essayed a role and she's done a fabulous job as usual. And are we trying to say that we're going to stop biopics and historic films? I think historic films like Jodha Akbar and Padmavati are a beautiful ambassador of India to the world. So I think it's tragic, don't you?
Absolutely. I'm dying to watch Padmavati and bring Deepika.
Let's go together.
There are so much social issues like there are rape cases, violent cases, murder cases, but all those are not important. Important is Padmavati. How do you think like, why is that?
It's happened because we're becoming a more and more intolerant nation. We are becoming oversensitive. We take jokes also in a very oversensitive way. Somebody tweets a slightly humorous thing and it becomes into a fracas. And I think fringe elements who were earlier on the fringe have received a place on the table of conversation and they've walked center stage, which I think is tragic. I think they need to be sidelined. Fringe elements have no place in a forward-moving global country like India, where we are making a headway in a world arena in the UN. I think we need to suppress intolerance and fringe elements. Like, share and subscribe Bollywood Buzz, and while you're at it, please follow Nisha Jamal as well.
Like, share, and love Bollywood Buzz
And Creo Lifestyle.
and Creo
Say
Lifestyle.
some followers come and visit the store and talk to you.
We would love all the fashionistas out there who want to get styled, who want to look different and edgy, to come to Creo, and we will
And also
look
get
as
your
like the
Christmas
best
dresses
version of
there.
yourself. Yeah.
This
And
is a
cocktail
very
gowns.
Christmas place right now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We love your talk.
Love.